Good morning, students. Welcome back in our next class of speech, or we can say narration. Speech या narration. जैसा कि आपको पता है कि मैंने प्रीवियस क्लास में आपको बताया था कि इन डायरेक्ट सेंटेंस और इन डायरेक्ट स्पीच we have two parts of a sentence. I'm revising it again. Suppose that he said to me. He said to me, you are my best friend. As in our previous class, जैसा कि हमारी previous class थी, in which I have told you that we have two parts of a narration or a single direct sentence. The first part is this one. He said to me, and the second part is in between the inverted comma. In between the inverted comma. This part is called reporting verb, and this part is called reported speech. Okay, so here why these two parts are important for us, let's try to understand this and understand it. This part is very important because here whatever we are changing of pronouns, here we have pronouns like you and my, the pronoun will change according to the subject and object of the reporting verb. Okay, this one is the subject, this is me is object, this is subject, this is object. Okay, here said, this one is the verb. All the three are very important. Subject and object is important because we will change the pronoun of reported speech according to the subject and object of the reporting verb. Clear? Second thing is verb. Verb is also very important. As I have provided you PDF of speech in which you can read very clearly that all these things are very important. I have mentioned in that everything. Said, this is verb, and verb is very important. Why the verb is important? Because here the verb of the reported speech will change according to the reporting verb. If your reporting verb will be in present or future tense, if your reporting verb will be in present or future tense, the verb of reported speech will be not changed, will not be changed. If the reporting verb is in present or future tense, the main verb, or we can say tense, of reported speech will not be changed. If your verb is in past tense, it will be changed. So that's why we can say everything is very important. Now come to the next point. Here what is the next point? The next point is कि when we change it into indirect narration or indirect speech, then how many changes we do in a sentence. How many changes we do in a sentence? Let's see. He said to me. I am changing it. He told me that. He told me that. You. He told me that. You will change according to he. So I am using here he. Sorry, I, not. I will tell you why we are changing according to me. So he told me that I was his best friend. This is the indirect speech. Okay. So how many changes we did in this sentence? Tell me. Okay, I am going to tell you. Number 1. Then we remove 2 from here. Okay, so we are not counting it. Number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay, both are same because we will read it in pronoun part, so we are not taking it other point or other rule, first, second, third and fourth. Okay, now there is a single change also, fifth change is also here. You are my best friend. Okay, now I'm using here now. Okay, you are my best friend now. Okay, I was his best friend then. So this one is the fifth change. What are these 5 changes? क्या है ये 5 changes? First of all, we will change reporting verb. First of all, we will change reporting verb. Okay, then we will change inverted commas. Remove inverted comma and use conjunction. So first we will change verb. As I am telling you, you will do the same thing. Change according to the sequence. First of all, you will change the reporting verb. Then you will use conjunction. Okay. Then use conjunction. After that, you will change pronoun. Okay. Then you will change tense. And last, you will change time if you have given. Okay. If you have given, then you will change the time. So we have 5 changes here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So we can say there are 5 steps to change from direct to indirect speech. We have 5 changes to change from direct to indirect speech. What are these 5 changes? As I have told you earlier. So we will do our changes in our next class, that what will be these 5 changes and how we will change it. Because today I am going to provide a very short video so that you can understand it very well. Okay, and after that I am give you example that how you will change, and we will do the rules of the changes. Okay, so if you have any problem in this part, in the today's only 10 minutes or 12 minutes video, if you have any problem in it, then please inform me or contact me through WhatsApp. Okay, and till then, thank you, goodbye and have a nice day.